Cardinal Health Presource pioneered the procedural pack business more than 40 years ago. Since then, we've helped providers optimize patient care at over 4,000 hospitals and ambulatory surgery centers nationwide. As experts in transformational strategy and innovative solutions, we understand the complex challenges facing healthcare providers like you. That's why we've designed solutions and product portfolios for a wide array of specific areas, from the ER to the OR, cardiology to interventional radiology, and more. We've got you covered. Our continuous investment in new technologies help provide real-time visibility and optimized PAC program management. And for your most complex procedures, Presource procedure-based delivery systems allow you to bundle pre, intra, and post-operative procedural supplies into modular kits, helping to reduce single sterile poles and case setup time. Our clinical and logistics experts conduct comprehensive evaluations throughout the life cycle of your PAC program. Through data-driven recommendations, guided implementation, and continual review, they can help identify potential cost and waste savings for your organization. As challenges arise, efficiencies are more important than ever. Trust Cardinal Health Presource for peace of mind in every PAC.